Bringing the alligator back does not hurt the alligator, guys. Our alligator coming this way, just about 7.5 feet long, 180 pounds, 88 per guys. This is just some sand. Anything touching inside the jaws of an alligator gets them to slam that mouth shut. Size of the alligator, covering over the eyes of the alligator. Oh, that didn't work well. Get back here with my towel. That is showing you all 80 teeth of an alligator. There's 40 teeth on top, 40 on the bottom. Alligators do not have motion. This is what's known as bulldogging.
J'ai les mains chaudes.
T'as pas peur de lâcher?
C'est bon. Oh, Hélène? Oh oui, mais écoute, ils peuvent voler, Hélène.
Allez croco, allez crocodiles.
Sur le bord d'une île, ils sont partis, ne reviendront plus.
Allez croco, allez croco, allez crocodiles. Pour Eva.
Pour Eva. Allô Eva.